Whenever I make ground beef like this, everyone asks me for the recipe. Start by placing 1.5 kilograms of ground beef into a large bowl. Next, add 1 grated onion, 3 crushed garlic cloves, chopped parsley to taste, 1 whole egg, 1 tablespoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and mix everything very well until fully combined. This is the right mix. Once you've done that, transfer 2/3 of this meat mixture to a baking tray lined with parchment paper and shape it into a rectangular tray just like I'm doing. It should look like this. Place it in the freezer and let it chill for 1 hour. Next, add the remaining meat to another tray and shape it into a rectangle with the same length as the meat tray. Place it in the freezer and let it chill for 1 hour. After this time is passed, in a large skillet over medium to low heat, add a drizzle of olive oil, 100 grams of spinach leaves, 100 grams of mushrooms chopped into smaller pieces, and sauté until wilted. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. This is the right point. Once you've done that and the meat tray has frozen, fill it with 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then, add the sautéed mixture we prepared, 4 grated hard-boiled eggs, and top everything with another 100 grams of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now cover the meat tray and set aside. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Once you've done that, in a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 tablespoons of honey, and mix everything very well until fully combined. It should look like this. Now, using a brush, spread this sauce all over the meat tray we prepared. Take to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 40 minutes. But keep an eye out, as this time may vary depending on the power of your oven. Have you got that recipe app? It's already available for download. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type that recipe, and download it. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.